everybody! So not only is it 2-card tutorial Saturday, but it is Craft Every Day in May, and today is day 5. 5. Alright, so I printed out these really cute cards on the Cricut. So again, these files will be on my Facebook group, Donna, Powered by Creativity. I'll put the link below, but go and check out that group and all the files that are in it. I am inspired by these. All right, we're going to use the Dollar Tree magnets, the Dollar Tree cards, the Dollar Tree stickers to make cards. Remember, at the end of the month, all these cards will be a giveaway. One nice big package, I think of 16 cards, are going to go to one of my lucky subscribers. So just remember, keep watching. All right, so I need my paper cutter. And what I did this time was I gave it a green background so that you know where to cut. And we're going to have to cut it this way because I'll have to make it so that you guys have a perfect cut in the middle, and I will re-edit it on my end. That's what I'll do. So these are going to be for A2 cards. Alright, lining that up. How cute are these, right? Wait till you see how I design these. Now I gave it a green border, but like I said, you could cut this border out and put any color paper you want behind it. So if you don't want green, get rid of it. It is, oh, it's not even 9 o'clock in the morning. Sorry, everybody. 9 o'clock in the morning, Eastern Standard Time. It's actually 8:50. Wow. That's what happens when you can't sleep. Hee hee hee. Get things done early. I wish I knew if you guys can, if it's coming in clear. I think I have to go let Texas in. Stand by. Come on, come in the house for a little bit. Come on. Good boy. Alright, so like I said, we're just trimming this up. These are going to be real easy, simple cards. And then what I have to do this time around is, for every card that I make for you guys, I have to make myself a copy. So that's why I have a second set. I'm going to do that. So these are our bases. You can add any color. Let's see. We already have a green background. You can always come in with a darker green. Or, you know what, let's do this. This is how I envision this card. These beautiful stickers. And now, from now on, at Dollar Tree, I have to buy 2 sets because I can't make myself a sticker unless I have 2 sets. So this is my thought concept. Look at how cute. The boot goes there. You see that? Isn't that sweet? Okay, the boot goes there, and I'm thinking one of the plants with, oh, maybe not a tool. The tools seem very large. Okay, that's card number 1. How easy was that? Now the only thing is we have to pick out our base. So I'm going to grab a pile of greens. And I think I want to match my green to the rosemary color, which is almost that color. So we got 2 sets of colors. Look how cute that is. 2 sets of greens. So we're going to quickly just make this an A2 size card by cutting an 8.5 by 11 in half. So I'm just going to cut it in half at 5.5. I'm going to fold it in half. Oh, I got it offline. All right. You know what? Live stream ended. So thank God I'm videotaping. So we're just going to continue videotaping. All right. I will never go live again unless Fios comes to my neck of the woods. All right. So just remember, today is Craft Every Day in May, and it's being hosted by Jan's Crazy Life. Now the other thing is this. I am popping these up on dimensionals. I think this is so cute. So let me get I actually have dimensionals right in front of me. These are the Dollar Tree dimensionals. Yay. Happy Saturday, everybody. After I'm done with this set of cards, you know what I'm doing? Ha-ha! I am going outside to stain my front porch. Yes, power washed yesterday, stain today. And then after I stain the porch, tomorrow I'm going to give my railings a new coat of white in between going to the back deck. And my back deck is huge. So I'm going to be outside working, and hopefully that the sun is shining and I can get a glow. A little tan. Right? A little tan. Remember, I have an 1/8 of an inch border. Ta-da! Look at that card! Isn't that the best? Plant smiles, grow laughter, harvest love. Oh, hold on. He's in the house. He's out. Okay. Okay. Back. Sorry, so look how cute that is. Isn't that sweet? Next one is even easier. Check this out. This is how I designed it. I'm going to zoom you in because you know what? You could be up close and personal. This is my concept. After you print this out, this one goes here. Right? This one now goes here. Love it-ish. And this one goes right here. Ta-da! 2 cards. 2 cards Saturday. Isn't that the coolest? Hey guys, I need you to do me a favor. Okay? I need you to do me a favor. I have to get it. Can you go check this out? The Kelly Chaos. K-H-A-O-S. She's got a YouTube channel. She just hit 100 subscribers yesterday. She's the cutest little thing. She's a cute housewife. She did an amazing video yesterday about 25 things that you didn't know about her. Just her video processing and her editing is so darn cute. She makes you smile. So please go check her out. And this is 2 cards Saturday. Loving it. Oh wait, we're not done. Haha. Okay. So this week's is going to be green. This week's is. Does that make sense? Ta-da! Loving it. So we used 1 whole sheet of an 8.5 by 11, and then we're going to layer this on dimensionals. How stinking cute is this? There's a fuzz in there. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Now, girls that have Cricuts, I know a few of you were asking for some tutorials. I did videotape this, how I created this. So since it's only 9 o'clock in the morning and my goal is not to get outside until like 11, I think I'm going to process that video or edit that video. Remember, I left a little 8. There we go. I'm gonna edit that video, so that's gonna be the second part of today's videos. But look at how stinking cute these came out. Don't you love it? 2-card tutorial Saturday with Dollar Tree stickers. Now I have to go to Dollar Tree and try to get a second batch of these stickers. Amazing. How stinking cute. All right, everybody, have a happy Saturday. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, a shout out, leave me a comment. Go check out Jan's Crazy Life. She is an awesome crafter. And then, like I said, please go check out the Kelly Chaos at her page. And I will see you all real soon. Bye.